Okay, sports fans, the carburetor wasn't carbureting right, turned out to be adjustment. We tuned the carb, we tightened down a capacitor that was sparking and not doing the right thing. So our next fabulous trick is we are going to try to back this thing off the tractor or off the trailer. It's going to pop a big giant wheelie and hopefully we will not end up as a YouTube fiasco.
Cool.
Hang on folks, Mark's going to hold the camera.
Okay. There we
Bring it
go.
onto the rodeo. The 8-second buck. I mean, ride.
Yeah. There it is.
Where's that 4x4?
Picture perfect. It was up front, was it? Let me check. This is the really best part of this machine right now. Is this here? This bright red
So when I
push
get the
the
back
test
wheels
button.
on the ground,
That's pretty cool now. That works.
when I get the back
Yep.
wheels on the ground,
Okay.
you can put that
Okay.
in there.
Right. I have a task.
mount
So
up.
we may have to pawn this video off to another contestant here.
And I
next
said
to
this
me.
wouldn't be cool unless I was smoking.
Yeah. Okay. There he is. He's cool. He's smoking.
Clear the prop.
The top is clear. And back off. Look at you do the whole show. Okay, once again the object is to stop.
Hey Dan.
Wouldn't that been fun? Yeah.
I forgot about the bucket.
Oh, Dan.
Yeah, okay. That's false. Yeah, I think I